Hey, what's going on guys, Dr. Caliber here, and welcome back to another tutorial video for Windows 10. Today I have how to do a screenshot in Windows 10. So basically, what you want to do is go down to here, if you have that bar, and search snipping tool, right there. You want to click that, you want to click new, but make sure, click the bottom arrow, the arrow pointing down, click freeform snip. So click new. It'll give you this little scissors. You want to go just along the edges down to the bottom. Make sure it's fairly good. Make sure you're pointing a little up. Make sure your finger's just not going straight down like this. Make sure it's kind of going diagonally. You can get the best looking image like this. Then once you have this, go to file. You can either send it to your email, or you could save it into a folder. So right here, boom guys, and that's it. Fairly easy. Boom, there it is guys. Fairly good quality. Perfect for a thumbnail or whatever. If you're into making YouTube videos, this works perfectly fine for Windows 10. And you can draw on it, edit, whatever you want from here. Photos. Yeah, don't get hit that like button down below, share this with your friends and other people, and as always, smile more. Peace out. Yeah.